Assalamu alaikum. Hi. Today I will show you how to reset the BIOS password with a boot order logit. This tutorial consider HP computer. If you can't access to the boot order, so you are watching the right video to solve that problem. I will show you how to do that step by step. So let's get started. We need a USB 2 GB and external hard drive and another computer. And we need these two programs. Download it from the link in the description. First of all, we have to prepare the USB. Put the USB in the computer. Go to the HPBR folder and run the USB image tool as administrator. Okay, now select the USB, click on the restore button and go to HPBR folder and select HPBR Win32. Put yes and wait a minute until your USB will create it. Okay, now we finish with this program, just close it. You can check your USB created file and folder. You will see that's still empty. So that's why we have to run the HP BIOS unlock. Okay guys, here you have to be careful. You have to insert your HP original information, the model of laptop and the serial number. To find them, you can go to the HP computer, power on and press F1 and then write the serial number and the unique identifier paper and copy them in the right place in the program. And then press make key. And the file will create it in output folder. After that, press make all. And many files will create it in the all folder. Okay, now we finished with the USB. You can take it off from computer. In the second part, we have to prepare the hard drive and make it bootable in the DOS system. So to do that, put the hard drive in the computer and run the Rufus program. And here you have to select the type of boot, MS-DOS, and if you can't find your hard drive, just check option list of hard drive and your hard drive will appear. Then press start and put yes. Okay, wait for a while and your MS-DOS bootable hard drive will create it. Close the program and and go to the hard drive, you will find this 3 file was created. Okay, we're done with the hard drive, but the hard drive not ready yet. One last thing, you have to copy all the USB file in the hard drive. When you do that, go to HP computer and replace the original hard drive with the created one. Okay, now let's start the operation reset. Power on your HP computer, then press enter. Choose one or two, it's about keyboard method. Write TIR dir and press enter. Write CD output and press enter. Put dir again and press enter. Write CD all and press enter. And put dir again and press enter. And now the last thing, write shotgun .bat and press enter, and your BIOS will reset and the password was cleaned. You can access now to the BIOS and boot order to format your PC. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, and I hope you resolve your problem. And that's it. Assalamu alaikum.